To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then go to Storage and Data. Here you will see the new update, Media Upload Quality. Tap on it. By default, any media you send is transmitted in standard quality. Now select HD quality. And then tap Save. Now go to any conversation, and send any photo or video. From now on, it will be selected as HD quality by default, so you don't need to select HD quality each time before sending any media. Now tap the Send button. The file will be slower to send, and can be 6 times larger. So in this way, you can change the default media upload quality on WhatsApp.